Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight, we are gonna make a dessert. We are gonna be making my Oreo pudding. So come along while we get this started. All right, friends, so let's go ahead and get started with our pudding. This is everything that you're gonna need. You're gonna need 2 packets of vanilla pudding, package of Oreos, package of cream cheese, 1 stick of salted butter, Cool Whip, powdered sugar, and milk. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our pudding. And we're gonna do 2 packets with 3 cups of cold milk. All right, we've got 3 cups of milk, vanilla pudding, and then our second pudding. So this is instant pudding, so this will stiffen up pretty quick. But for best results, go ahead and stick it in your refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. While our pudding is setting up in the refrigerator, we're gonna get started on our cream cheese filling. We're gonna use the 1 stick of salted butter, and these are softened, so go ahead and drop that in there. And our packet of 8-ounce cream cheese, also softened. I'm gonna drop that in there. All right, with a hand mixer on low, we're gonna go ahead and beat this together. All right, so I switched to a deeper bowl because I was losing it. Once everything is well combined and mixed together, we're gonna go in with a cup of powdered sugar. Now, if you don't wanna end up with a big mess, just add a little bit at a time. All right, so now that all of the powdered sugar has been combined into our cream cheese and butter mixture, we're gonna let this sit to the side while we wait for our pudding to be done. All right, friends, next step is we need to crush up some Oreos. Stealing Oreos. All right, so for this one, I would just do 2 rows of your Oreos and leave that row for decoration. All right, so get these in a baggie, a Ziploc baggie, any kind of baggie that you got, and take out your frustrations for the day on your cookies. All right, now that's all done. Let's set that off to the side too. All right, friends, so our pudding is done, our cream cheese filling is done, and we've got our Cool Whip. Let's go ahead and assemble everything together. So we're gonna dump our vanilla pudding into the cream cheese, and we're just gonna fold it in. Now to fold in our Cool Whip. And this one we're just also gonna fold in because we wanna have little pieces of fluff, Cool Whip fluff in it. Now with a clear bowl, if you have it, we're gonna start our layering. You're gonna layer it like you do lasagna. Start with some cookie crumbles on the bottom. And then go in with the layer of our pudding cream cheese mixture. Cookie layer. Pudding layer. And then cookies on top. Now go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. You want it to chill. Overnight is best, but a few hours will be fine. You want these cookies to soften up and absorb the moisture from your pudding, and it is divine. Make sure you cover it with some plastic wrap and stick it in the fridge. All right, friends, so our Oreo pudding has been chilling in the refrigerator. Now let's go ahead and go in with the taste test. All right, friends, so let's go in and taste our Oreo pudding. This is so good and sweet. So only go with a little bit. Don't put a whole bunch because it is very sweet, but perfect. Oreos are my absolute favorite cookie, and to have it this way makes it even better. So definitely give us a try, friends. Let me know in the comments if you've had this before, and if you've had this version or if you did chocolate pudding, because you can also do chocolate pudding, but hubby likes the vanilla pudding. He doesn't like too much chocolate. So let me know what you think. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.